Hey guys, welcome to the installation part of Laravel 8 e-commerce development. So to do that, we are going to go to our folder, then navigate to the part you want to install your project. So I'll be using this folder. So in this folder area, you click on your right, just use your right click to select Git batch here. So for those who don't have Git on their system, you can go to github just search git batch and download it. So you have to download git. So once you download git, you can do exactly what I'm doing on my screen. So this is where you're going to get your version if you don't have git on already installed on your system. Okay, so let's go back. So I'm going to use git bash here to get the right folder directory. So over here I'm going to say Laravel new e-commerce. Okay, so I'm going to click on enter. So my command is Laravel new what's e-commerce. That is the command I use. So I'll be pasting the command in the description for those who don't see my screen very well. So I will paste the command in the description. So let's wait a moment while this installation is being complete. Hey guys, okay, welcome back again to the video. Now the application is set and is done getting the resources. Okay, so let's close this CMD and open this folder. So just see the way I get into these parts. So once you double click on this folder, now this exact folder part, you are going to right click on it, then you are going to open with code. So do exactly as I show you now on this screen, so that you get away with other parts. So please do as I'm showing you in this video series. Okay, so once you are in this VS Code, this is our code editor area. So once you are here, you are going to click on the terminal. So click on terminal, then click on new terminal. So once you click on the terminal, you click on new terminal, then bring the terminal up. Or let me zoom in my screen so that you can see what I'm doing. So once the terminal is up, then we will be uploading our development to GitHub. So I will advise you to sign up on a GitHub account if you don't have a GitHub account ready. So sign up for a GitHub account. So in the next series, we are going to be connecting our GitHub. So we load everything we have here to GitHub as we are uploading the series. Okay, so thank you for this one. See you in the next series.